easy to multiply things. And the easiest thing in the world to multiply is 0, because anything times 0 is 0. So, for 3x minus 2y equals 4, let's set x equals 0. So that just says minus 2y equals 4. If I said x equals 0, this is just gone. The 3x is just gone. And I got minus 2y equals 4, so y equals minus 2. Then I'm going to set, oh, by the way, so this is the point, 0, comma, minus 2. Now I'm going to set y equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, then this goes away, and I just end up with 3x equals 4, or x equals 4/3, or 1 1/3 if you like. So I've got the point, x is 4/3, y is 0. I've got 2 points to make my line now. All right, first point was 0 on x, minus 2 on y. Second point is 4/3 on x, that's 1 1/3, and 0 y. Wait a second, what did I just do? Oh! 0 on x is here, negative 2y is here. Here's the point, 0, comma, negative 2. The point 4/3, comma, 0 is 4/3 on x, 1 1/3, 0y, that's right there. So that's the point 4/3, comma, 0. And now I've got 2 points. I just play connect the dots, just like I did before. Zoop, zoop. There I graphed the line. That's it. Now, you can do it either way. It doesn't matter. You don't have to pick 0 for x and 0 for y. And remember, when you do 0 for y, you're going to solve for x, so you have to kind of do that one backwards. This can be easier. They call this point right here, where the line crosses the x-axis, they call it the x-intercept. And if they call that one the x-intercept, Lizelle, what do you think they call, no. Lizelle, what do you think they call the, yes, the y-intercept. Wonderful. They call that one the x-intercept, they call that one the y-intercept, and this idea of putting in the zeros will give you, when y is 0, you get the x-intercept. And when x is 0, you get the y-intercept. And those 2 points will give you the line. And they call this graphing the line by finding the intercepts. I think that's the language that they're using. Graph using the x and y intercepts. So that's what the book is asking you. But you can graph with any 2 points you like. It doesn't matter. Okay. And only one more thing to worry about for this section is, this one's a trick question. Here's an equation, y equals 3. I'm going to graph this. Now, There's no squares or square roots or anything like that, so all right. Who can we pick on? Eli. All right, Eli. If x is 0, what's y? Yeah, it's 3. Y is 3. If x is 0, y is 3. This says y is 3, right? If x is 5, what is y? Yes, y is 3. If x is 5, y is 3. Y is just always 3. Here's the point 5, 3. If x is negative 2, y is 3. Y is just always 3. It doesn't depend on x. And when that happens, I get a horizontal line. Y does not depend on x, so as x goes, y just stays the same. And vice versa, if I have x equals minus 2, and I graph that, if x is minus 2, then y could be anything, right? If y is 1, here's the point minus 2 comma 0, minus 2 comma 1, minus 2 comma minus 3. I get a vertical line. So if it's y equals a number, you get a horizontal line. If it's x equals a number, you get a vertical line. It's really the only trick in this section. Okay. Next video, next section.